Welcome back. Contracts, deeds, service agreements. It's no secret that these types of legal documents can be downright incomprehensible to the average person. So here to help us through the legalese is Melissa A. Mooradian, a legal document assistant. All right, so I have this question for you because I don't really deal with that many documents, but I used to be an investigative reporter, and they are hard to understand. Why are legal documents so hard to understand?
I think they keep it that way, so that way, you know, you have to hire somebody.
I know. It's a scam, right? Or it's like it's a plot, so that you have to hire them to help you. But you're a legal document assistant, so different than an attorney. What does a legal document assistant do? How can you help people?
Well, I cannot give legal advice.
Okay.
But I can prepare all types of legal documents and forms and file them with the court.
Right.
And work directly with the clients to, you know, get all the information and put it into their paperwork and then get it filed for them.
Right, because a lot of the legal system is just filing paperwork. I mean, you could spend years following motions and filing documents, and a lot of it really is just writing and submitting things to the courts. But you have a specialty, so what do you specialize in?
Well, my main focus is family law, but I also do some probate and a little bit of civil, like small claims filings, and really anything that my clients, you know, bring to me, I can usually do.
And how long have you been doing this?
I've been a paralegal for 10 years, but I've had my own business for 2 years.
Okay, so this is what I was gonna ask. All right, so you have experience as a paralegal, and a lot of times paralegals will work for an attorney's office, but you have your own business, so you can provide this service to whoever comes to you. So what types of clients do you have?
All types. For the most part, I get a lot of divorces and child custody and, you know, like support modifications and stuff like that.
And that would be the person who is filing for divorce or the person who is seeking, or would it be their attorneys?
No, it's usually self-represented parties. A couple times, you know, there will be a party that, you know, has an attorney, and then I'll be not representing, but helping the self-represented party.
So how does the process work? How, you know, when people come to you, what do they need? You know, if I were to need a legal document, I don't know if I would know even where to start.
Well, usually they already know what they need, and they'll come to me and say, you know, I need to file for divorce, or, you know.
Oh, okay, so I see. So if you're filing for divorce, and you know, let's say they're expensive, especially if you've got to hire an attorney. You don't really have a lot of assets between you, but you just want out. You can help them file that paperwork with the court.
Yeah, for a fraction of the price that they'll spend on an attorney.
And how about the time? How much time does that take?
For me, it takes, I don't know, some clients will last, you know, a couple days, you know, to work on their stuff.
Oh, okay.
But for the most part, I can get a client with, if a client comes in with like a rush, you know, matter, and I can get it out the same day in most cases. So.
In your experience working on legal documents and working for attorneys, working as a paralegal, what are some of the most, especially because you work in probate, what are some of the most important legal documents that we should consider, you know, in our lifetime?
I would say the most important ones are the ones involving children.
Okay. All right. So if you've got custody agreements, if you've got inheritance, things like that.
Yes.
And you can help with all of that.
Yes.
How do people get in touch with you?
By my phone number or on Facebook. My Facebook page is Melissa A. Mooradian Paralegal Service.
Okay, perfect. Well, you never know when you might need her services, and you don't want to create a legal document on your own. Melissa, thank you so much for being here today. We appreciate it. Don't change the channel. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a mural coming to Rawhide Ballpark is worth 1,000,000 more. The partnership and the motivation behind the artwork, that's next.